Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Google Pixel 3a. In this video we will talk about the device. This is not any leak or any speculation of the device. This is the real box and this is the 4GB 64GB variant. Here at the back you can see it is written hashtag team pixel, which means if you are taking a picture with the Pixel smartphone you can tag them using the hashtag pixel. Nobody knows that if you get chance to be featured in the Google's Instagram account. Now talking about the device, this is a just black color. The other color coming with the device is the clearly white, and here you can see after taking out the wrapper it looks pretty much gorgeous, and in the feel and touch it looks the similar of Pixel 3. Now we will see also in the box what are the other contents. Now here we are getting some of the paperwork including the SIM card ejector tool, some stickers and the safety information guide. There is also Type-C to Type-C cable. There is also USB to Type-C cable to transfer your data from iPhone or something else. Now lastly we also getting the earphone buds in the device. Here you can see the earphone and also some of the earbuds present, so it may adjust according to your ears. Now we are getting a charger which is a 18-watt charger. It will do a fast charging definitely. The device comes with the 3000 milliampere battery. Now coming back to the device, once you have booted we can see that it supports the eSIM. So if you have eSIM in India using Jio or Airtel network, you can definitely get the eSIM. Once we start booted, there are some tips for the Pixel. So what are the tips? Here you can see some of the, how to find the apps, what are the apps to explore, how to see the notification, and also change the common settings in the notification. So these are the some of the tips given. And finally, lastly, there is one more thing. If you squeeze, you can directly go to the active edge and activate your Google Assistant. Coming back to the device, here we see a dark mode in the notification menu, but I will tell about this in a later section. The settings what we are seeing here, it is pretty much similar what we have seen in the other Pixel devices. It is coming with the pure Google theme. There is nothing more installed. The device is running on Android 9.0 Pie, and here you can see the last security update patch is on 5th March 2019. Maybe it will get the new update today or tomorrow, but this is the latest update what it is coming with the box. And talking about the display, it is 5.6-inch FHD plus display with Dragon Trail protection. It comes with a processor which is a octa-core processor, Snapdragon 670. So this is the world's first 670 processor used any smartphone, and it comes with the Titan M security, which is the most secure chip as told by Google in the last I/O. Now talking about the camera, it comes with the 12 plus 2 megapixel camera at the back, front 8 megapixel camera, and the battery is 3000 milliampere battery. It comes with the 18-watt charger. And talking about the device, it is having a RAM of 4GB and internal storage of 64GB. The best part of the device is that you can definitely getting the Google Photos highest resolution upload. So it means that whatever resolution you are clicking the picture, it will upload in the same resolution. Here in the display you get the two modes in the theme, which is a dark mode and light mode. I preferred the dark mode because it is easier and it gives less strain to the eyes. Now coming to the one more thing, which is the adaptive brightness. This is when the display change automatically according to the situation. It comes with the GOLED display, and the device comes with the Dragon Trail glass protection. Now coming to the sound, it also can give you the audio what is playing nearby with now playing function. Coming to the device, there is also digital well-being. This will tell you how much you have spent your time on the device, and if you want to put it on a grayscale, you can put that. You can mute your social media for a few minutes, or you can take it out. Now talking about the storage, it comes with the 64GB storage, what I have already told to you. Now coming back to the device, here we have the security. In the security, it is only coming with the fingerprint sensor at the back. You can definitely register multiple fingerprints, but currently there is no face unlock. But I guess that once the Android Q is available for rollout for everyone, then the face unlock will be also available. The device is made of polycarbonate body. It is a single polycarbonate body. It designs pretty much similar what we have seen for Pixel 3. Coming to the side, there is a volume button and the power button, and on the other side we are getting a SIM card slot. It is still having a single SIM card slot which supports the 4G VoLTE, and this is the only slot. There is no expandable memory slot, neither the second SIM card slot. On the top we are getting a 3.5mm jack, finally back into the device. Coming to the bottom part, there is also stereo speakers. It also comes with the Type-C charging. This will support the rapid or the fast charging, what you can call. It has a 3000 milliampere battery. It will not support any wireless charging, but the device comes with the 3.5mm jack on the top, and there is also earphone given in the box, which is a good thing. Now coming to the camera, it comes with the rear camera 12 plus 2 megapixel, which is coming with the aperture f1.8. Talking about the front camera, it comes with the 8 megapixel camera with f2.0. Now here we are going to some settings. There is the SDR mode, there is the SDR plus enhanced mode where the motion sensor will not available. So here you can see once I put it, the motion picture is enabled, and there is a flash which you can switch it off and on. There are some modes including the panorama mode, the portrait mode, the camera mode, the video mode, and there are more. In the more we are getting a night sight. Other than the night sight, we also have the photosphere, photo booth, slow motion, playground. Playground is basically for the AR stickers. There is lens, and there is also more settings. Now when I was recording the video, there was time lapse was not present, but I got an app which is a beta camera app update. I have done that, and now time lapse is available for the device. It can also shoot raw photos, which is a good thing. You can save raw plus JPEG. There's a SDR plus control which you have to enable manually. Here you can see the camera can take from the rear camera 12 plus 2, in the front you can take 8, and in the video you can also shoot 4K video from the rear camera with 30 fps, and also full HD and SD video. Talking about the front camera, you can shoot full HD and SD. Here you can see on the right side there is time lapse, and this is how the time lapse will work: 1x, 5x, 10x, 30x and 100x. The starting price of the device is 39,999 for 4GB plus 64GB variant. Now talking about the difference between 3A and 3A XL in the device, 3A comes with the 5.6-inch FSD plus display, whereas the 3A XL comes with the 6-inch display. Coming to the battery, the 3A comes with the 3000 milliampere battery, whereas the 3A XL comes with the 3700 milliampere battery. The 3A comes with the 147 gram, whereas the 3A XL comes for 167 gram. The 3A starts with the price of 39,999, whereas the 3A XL comes around 45,999. Both the devices will be available on Flipkart. This is all about the device of Pixel 3a. In this video, we will definitely making a gaming video for Pixel 3a. How is the processor? Because this is the world's first processor coming with the Snapdragon 670 octa-core. So this is all about the Google Pixel 3a unboxing and all the features what we are getting with the device. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.